I want to go real quick. These are the signs that are going to hang up that I'm going to put under the board. So we have a penny, we have the head, the tail side, 1 cent in dollar form, and I also wrote what it looks like whenever I'm practicing, so like a P or a 1. Okay, so that's a penny. Then we have a nickel. Okay, so head side, 5 cents, the N, a 5, tail side, dollar form. We have dime, same thing, 10 cents, a D, head side, tail side, dollar form. Quarter, same thing, Q, 25 cents, head, tails, dollar form. Now the last two I'm going to show you is just to introduce you to them. You do not have to know these coins, but we have a $50. Okay, so a $50 is one coin that's worth 50 cents. I don't have one right now with me, but a $50 it's a lot bigger than a quarter, and it's worth 50 cents. Okay, so this is what a $50 looks like. And then a dollar coin, which is worth 100 cents or $1, it has Sacagawea on it, and it's like a gold color. So that is a dollar coin. Yep, and you guys, and a lot of you might have them, but again, they're not used in common currency. So like there are other items, like there was a $2 bill years ago, and it had who was on it? I think it was Thomas Jefferson that was on it. And then there was I think there was a silver dollar years ago that had like queens and kings on it from back. I mean, I'm talking way back. But so I'm going to hang those up too, but don't need to panic about any of those. So that's just an intro into what the little signs will look like. I'm going to hang them up now. Let me go ahead and move y'all. We are going to do some examples. Again, I saw some students yesterday who didn't put the cent sign they didn't put the cent sign next to their work because they said they couldn't find it on a keyboard. But you have a pen tool, so just draw the C and put the line through it. So I don't have it on my keyboard either, so like whenever I have to write it, I have to write it like that, or something like that. But make sure that you're putting the cents symbol, okay, next to all of your values, because you're talking about money. So like, just like whenever we're solving a word problem, if we want to know how many books she bought, we would put 15 books. Or if we wanted to know the how many girls are on the soccer team, you would say, once you found out the total, you would say 25 girls. Okay, there has to be a name next to the value of each one. Okay, so I got penny and nickel up there, so I am going to draw an example that I'd like you to determine the value. Don't forget, you can write the values on top and then count on the bottom, or vice versa. Up to you. Go ahead and tell me the value. I need to throw this marker away. Tell me the value of that right there. And actually, I'll move you back a little bit so then you can see a little bit better. Can you all see that? So it's, whoa. Hold on. What? It's a brand new marker. What? Okay. Let's see if you can see this. 1, 2, 3, 4 nickels, and 1 penny. You're going to tell me the value. Okay. And there's...
When you're done.
When you're finished, go ahead and... Ooh, give me your best Mrs. Cooper impersonation. Yeah, impression. What does Mrs. Cooper look like all the time? That's a hard one, I know. Give me your best monster face. Give me your best monster face.
How much does a nickel cost again?
A nickel is worth 5. Okay, that's why all those signs are up there, down there. Here, I'll move this. Give me your best monster impression. Monster face. Apparently George is Frankenstein. Yeah, you can do the Mrs. Cooper impression.
In 3, 2, 1, show me your work.
Ah, yeah, that's a good one. Okay. Ostende mihi faciam tuum operis intribis duo unis. Awesome. Good job, guys. Right. So each nickel is worth 5. And a penny is worth 1. So if I counted this up, 5, 10, 15, 20, I'm only counting by 1, 21, okay, 21 cents. Okay, now the next one, how we're going to do this one, is we're going to do a little bit of, hey, are you paying attention to Mrs. Cooper? Is Mrs. Cooper solving this work correctly? Okay, we haven't done one of these in a long time, so make sure you're paying attention. Make sure I'm doing it right.
I'll help you, Miss Cooper.
Okay, thanks. Oops. Hold on, I meant to write that black. Okay. Okay, we got a dime, 3 nickels, and 2 pennies.
And Trey, uno, show me your work.
I did.
Huh?
I need some hand raises for some things that I did incorrectly, or did I do it correct? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Thumbs down. Okay. So, can I have some friends who would raise their hand and tell me one thing I did wrong? What's the first thing I did wrong? George, what's the first thing I did wrong?
A dime is not 10 It's 25. At first I was thinking of a quarter.
Okay.
Oh, a nickel is not 10.
A nickel is worth what? A nickel is worth 5 only. Okay. So I need to erase this counting because my counting's going to be wrong because I did wrong values. Okay. What else? What else did I do incorrect? Easy.
You did the number wrong too.
Yeah, I'm going to have this wrong, but is there something else wrong up top?
No.
Okay. Anyone else see anything incorrect? Journey.
The penny is 1 cent.
A penny is 1 cent, and I wrote it was 5 cents. So a penny is 1 cent. Okay, now knowing that, I'm going to recount my work, okay? Okay, so it's 32. Did I do it right now? Thumbs up, thumbs down. I'm getting some thumbs down still. Why, Gage?
Because 10, 15, 20, and then 25, not 30.
Ah, so I skip counted by 10. He's saying I skipped counted by 10 between here and here, when it should actually be 25. Okay. Then if I count by 1, it's 26. What's 1 more than 26? Who can help me there? Alice?
27.
27. Okay, so it is 27 cents. Alrighty. Now, I would like you to try this one. Okay. You're going to try this one.
So we're going to write this down on our notebook.
Yep, this one you're going to write down in your notebook. And you're going to tell me the value of those coins right there. Yes.
Could I write it in my on my whiteboard?
Yeah. Yeah, whatever you got to write on or write with. Yeah. Yeah, pencil and notebook or dry erase board and marker. Yeah.
What do we do when we're done?
When you're finished, go ahead and give me your best. Ooh, alien impression. Give me your best alien. What would an alien act or look like? You got time to solve this problem, though. Don't forget what a Q is. Don't forget what a D. Act like an alien. Don't forget what a nickel is. Okay. You can see all those, right? I think so. You guys can't see the penny, but you should know a penny, right? Yeah, you can't see a penny. A penny is 1 cent.
What do I do when I'm finished, Miss Cooper?
Pretend you're an alien.
I'm a slow motion alien.
I'm just going to act like myself because I already am an alien.
Greetings, Earthlings. We come in peace.
Can
Can I get a hot dog?
Yeah, you're probably
I already am an
Okay.
Bananas, pumas.
Okay, ready?
I should have you do makeup with.
Ostende mihi faciam tuum operis in tribus duo unis. Woo.
Was that Latin?
Yep, that was Latin. Ostende mihi faciam tuum operis is show me your work. In tribus is 3, duo, and unis is 1. All right. Good. Thanks to my friends who are participating. That's right. If I have this quarter is 25, another quarter is 25, a dime is 10, and a nickel is 5. 2 quarters I know together is 50. Okay, I know that 2 quarters is 50. Plus 10 more is 60, plus 5 more is 65. So I have 65 cents. Okay? Alright, the next one, Mrs. Cooper is going to solve, and you're going to make sure I solved it correctly, okay? Pay attention. Don't let me be tripped up.
Miss Cooper.
Huh?
Since you've been saying show me your work in Latin, did you know a lot of the words we use today is from the language Latin?
Yes, I did. Awesome, though, that you knew that as well. Yeah. Lot of words from English language are derived from Latin language. Yeah.
A lot of names are too.
Yeah, a lot of names. True, very true. You can often look up your name and see what it means in Latin. So. Okay. I got a quarter, 2 dimes, a nickel, and 3 pennies. Did I solve it correctly or did I solve it incorrectly? Check it. Take a double check. I have 25, 10, dime is worth 10, nickel's worth 5, penny's worth 1, 1, and 1. I counted 25, 10 more is 35, 10 more is 45, 5 more is 50, 51, 52, 53. Did I solve it correctly or incorrectly? I should see thumbs down. And who knows why I should see a thumbs down?
I know why.
Who knows why? I need a hand raise. Who knows why I should only see a thumbs down? Why should I see a thumbs down, George?
Because there's no sign beside 53.
Yes! There's no cent symbol! So I solved it correctly. I found the correct value. But I should have seen a bunch of burn, 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 burn. No, that's not right, Mrs. Cooper, because you forgot the send sign. Jeez, guys. Forgot the send sign. How could I? Okay? You gotta keep me on my toes, peeps. Okay. Last one. I would like you to solve it. Let's see how well those brains will work. value. There are 6 nickels. When you're finished, give me your best ocean animal face. Give me your best ocean animal face.
What do we do when we're done?
I just said it. Listen. Give me your best ocean animal face. Any ocean creature or animal face. George, what kind of ocean animal are you? I'm so confused. What are ya? Are you a beached whale? I don't know. What are you?
I'm a unicorn. Octopus.
Oh, an octopus. Oh, okay. Are you camouflaging with the rocks? 'Cause you're in all blue? So you have blue coats? I get you now. Journey's a narwhal, for sure. Unicorn of the sea. I'm a pufferfish. Okay.
Unicorn.
A unicorn doesn't live in the ocean. A narwhal does.
Miss Cooper, look at me.
Oh, yeah.
I'm a whale.
Shh. Ostende mihi faciam tum operis in tribus duo. Una! I did it wrong. Ostende mihi faciam tum operis in tribus duo unis. Ah. You were not tricked by me. Good job. That's right. Each nickel is worth 5 cents. All you had to do was count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 30. All of you who I saw their work remembered that cent sign. Great job. That is right. Wonderful work. So, for your activity today, what you'll have to do, and I'll show it to you in 1 second. You will have to, okay. You will have to, you will have to count the coins, okay, and then you're going to circle the correct amount. So, for example, if I was to count these, okay, oh, and they don't have the values next to each one. I'm going to add the anchor chart to your slide. So don't get started on your math assignment just yet, because I'm going to add the anchor chart with the values of each one next to it. So what you'll have to do is you'll count the coins. So like these are nickels, nickel, nickel, dime. So if I was to count this, 10, 15, 20, 25, then you could color in or you could circle the correct value. Okay? So that's what you're going to have to do. But to make sure, because I know a lot of you get panicked about not having the values next to you, I'll put that into the lesson right now. I'll put it into activity right now. Okay? Alrighty, friends. I will see some of you later. Some of you have small group too.
Bye.